Fresh fruits arrive daily from carefully selected farms. Every batch is inspected before production begins. Advanced vision systems detect defects instantly. Only premium quality fruit continues to processing. Purified water removes dust and natural residues. Every fruit is gently cleaned to preserve freshness. Purified water removes dust and natural residues. Every fruit is gently cleaned to preserve freshness. Food-safe sanitizing ensures maximum hygiene. The fruit remains fresh and ready for preparation. Robotic sorting organizes every fruit automatically. Each variety follows its own preparation line. Automated peelers remove skins with minimal waste. Each fruit keeps its natural shape and texture. Skilled workers perform final precision trimming. Only edible fruit moves to the cutting line. High-speed cutters create perfectly uniform fruit cubes. Consistent sizes ensure an attractive fruit salad. Delicate berries receive gentle handling to prevent damage. They're now ready to join the freshly cut fruit. Precisely measured fruits enter the industrial mixing drum. Slow mixing keeps every piece fresh and intact. The light fruit syrup is prepared under precise temperature control. It enhances flavor while preserving freshness. The syrup is cooled quickly to protect the fresh fruit. Proper temperature preserves texture and taste. The fruit is lightly coated with refreshing syrup. Gentle mixing protects every delicate fruit piece.
Sterile cups are automatically aligned for filling. Every container is inspected before use.
Every cup receives the perfect fruit blend. Automated fillers ensure consistent portions. Measured syrup fills every gap between the fruit. It keeps the fruit juicy and fresh. Every cup is weighed for perfect consistency. Any incorrect portion is removed automatically. Each cup is sealed to lock in freshness. The airtight lid protects the fruit during storage. Advanced inspection confirms every seal is secure. Only perfectly sealed fruit cups continue to packaging. The sealed fruit cups are rapidly chilled. Fast cooling preserves freshness, flavor, and texture. Each fruit cup receives its product label. Barcodes and batch details ensure full traceability. Each fruit cup receives its product label. Barcodes and batch details ensured full traceability. Artificial intelligence checks every finished fruit cup. Only flawless products move forward. Artificial intelligence checks every finished fruit cup. Only flawless products move forward. Protective shrink film secures every multi-pack. It keeps the fruit cups stable during transport.
Automatic case packers prepare the products for shipping. Each carton contains the exact number of fruit packs.
Every shipping carton is securely sealed. This protects the fruit during transportation. Powerful robots stack cartons with perfect accuracy. Stable pallets ensure safe warehouse storage.
Each pallet is securely wrapped for transportation. The fruit salad is now ready for cold storage.
The finished fruit cups enter a temperature-controlled warehouse. Constant refrigeration keeps every cup fresh. Automated storage maximizes efficiency and product safety. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Customer orders are processed automatically. Each shipment is prepared with complete accuracy. Every shipment passes one final quality inspection. The cold chain is verified before dispatch. Shipping labels guarantee accurate worldwide delivery. Each pallet is linked to its destination. Refrigerated trucks preserve freshness during transport. The cold chain remains unbroken. Thousands of fresh fruit cups begin their journey. They are delivered while perfectly chilled. The fruit cups reach regional distribution centers. They are quickly prepared for retail delivery. The finished fruit cups arrive at retail stores. They stay chilled until purchased by customers. From fresh farms to your table, every fruit cup is carefully prepared. Freshness, quality, and safety are delivered in every bite. Check the pressure reading on loop 4. It's within parameters. The cycle is proceeding as planned.
पेन जाते ही ईठान कर देता है।
The solar input peaked at 95% efficiency this hour. Rerouting the surplus to the refrigeration units now.